We're loading up a Vantem house right now. The trucks are getting ready to back up under it. They'll pick up the house, strap it down, and get ready to move it to the site in Selma, Alabama. They have to get the house centered. That way it rides right. If it's over to one side too much, it'll list one way or the other. So the important thing is to get it centered on the trailer. Once they pull it out, they're gonna strap it down, flag it out, put lights on it for public safety, and then they'll get ready to hit the road in Selma, Alabama.
We're standing here on the Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma, Alabama. This is where the suppression of the civil rights movement occurred on March 7, 1965, known as Bloody Sunday. NACA stands on the shoulders of the men and women who courageously fought and continue to do so in the civil rights movement. Selma residents are so tired of the false promises. Politicians come here often on Bloody Sunday to make beautiful speeches, but nothing happens. NACA is here to change that. We have NACA's Best in America mortgage for Selma residents. No down payment, no closing costs, no fees, at a below market fixed rate without consideration of one's credit score. But what are we adding to that? Beautiful modular homes that are energy efficient and that affordable. NACA is going to build over 100 of these homes. So for the first time in decades, people are going to see new construction, and this is how we're going to do that. NACA rising and Selma rising. Hope is on the way, and NACA is in the forefront.
A new program in Selma will help increase the number of new homeowners in the city. Today, leaders announced a plan to build affordable housing for residents.
It's about home ownership. It's about thanking NACA for the work that they are doing here in our community. And again, I say thank you, Bruce.
This is just phase one of a very larger master plan. And so the biggest key is getting our people to get qualified, getting them to go to the workshop. Trust me, as long as we have qualified people, Mr. Bruce Marks is going to have us home.
It's hard to envision something you can't see.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
We wanted people to be able to actually walk in, see, touch, and feel the houses that we are talking about. We wanted them to actually feel the quality. These are not mobile homes. When this is completed, this house is going to appreciate in value and not depreciate in value.
Yep.
This is a home that is just equal to or better than the quality of a stick build.
From the West Alabama Newsroom, at least 100 affordable new homes are on their way to Selma as construction starts to ramp up.
Guess what, everyone? I just got an update from the drivers on the road. I was told the Whitney Lake is almost 5 minutes out from arriving to the construction site here for NACA in Selma, Alabama. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lamont Williams. I'm the project manager here in Selma, Alabama, overseeing the new construction for NACA. Guys, I can hear them. They're around the corner on Broad Street.
Look what's coming down the road. This is so exciting that, the first NACA home in our NACA Rising campaign is coming to fruition as we speak. So this is it. What you see behind me, the Whitney Lake, it's a beautiful 1,400 square foot house. Comes in 2 boxes. The other one is right down the road. We're putting it on the foundation now. The crane's gonna lift it. You see that happening in real time. NACA is rising in Selma. We're gonna rise around the country, and we're gonna do it the NACA way. Yes, we got this.
So we just finished setting the second half of the house. Once we set it and the crane pulls the cables out, we take a come along and pull it together and join it up, the marriage line tight, makes a good, nice, airtight seal.
What we're seeing right now, we have our contractors on there, McGee Construction. They're actually laying down the decking. And actually, when they put the decking board down, next they're gonna put the felt paper down. We're gonna start working and completing the roof. The second thing they're doing is installing the AC ducts above ceiling.
Let me take you inside. show you what it looks like in there, how things come together. Here we are in the kitchen. It comes from the factory, everything's complete. The microwave is installed, the stove is in the unit, they can put it in whenever they get ready. All the plumbing is already ran, the sink's in, and as you can see up under the sink, all of your plumbing, your garbage disposal, everything's already there, ready to go. Dishwasher's installed, ready to go. Pretty much all they have to do is hook the power up, water up, and it's good to go, ready to go. Cabinets are all installed, the hood range, this microwave vents out, all of that is built, vented out the roof already, ready to go. Bathroom is the same way. All the plumbing's done, ready to go, shower's done, toilet set, flooring's done. This is the master bathroom. This is one of our features. We do tile in the plant. And here's the master bedroom and master closets right there, as you can see. But the air handler is already installed, already hooked up and everything. The laundry room is right here. Everything's plumbed, ready to go. All you gotta do is put your fixtures in there and start. So you have another bedroom in here with a closet, and the water heater is actually in that closet, hooked up, ready to go, wired, everything. It just needs power and water turned on to the building. Panel box is in this bedroom here. This is the last bedroom. You see we have paint in here to finish painting after they do the drywall touch up. The can lights are pretty popular. They go throughout the home. Each bedroom has some. They put them in the kitchen, the hallway, and it's good to go.
Extremely high quality and extremely durable. We're making affordable homes with the same technology that we use to make a 5-star hotel. We built a home, for example, on Grand Bahamas Island 2 years before Hurricane Dorian went right over that home. Spent 36 hours slamming it with 190-mile-an-hour winds, no damage.
The way we do that is by building a very efficient, strong thermal envelope using a proprietary technology that we developed. It's a panel-based technology that has a much higher insulation value. It is much stronger, so it's climate resilient in high forces like high winds, in hurricanes and earthquakes. It allows us to achieve really high thermal values, including net zero homes, meaning homes that do not have any net use of energy off of the grid.
To actually be able to see the structure, I think it brings it closer. This can really happen. This can really happen. So I'm appreciative of that, and for them following through. Like I say, a lot of people have come through, and not just after the storm, before the storm, is what they want to do for Selma. But this is coming from the inside out. And I appreciate that.
Everybody needs to be a homeowner. Too many of us rent.
Right.
And we know rent does not bring anything to the renter.
Right.
It's only to the owner. We have homes that need to be at least torn down, if nothing else.
Right.
This, though, is a much better solution. To see a house come up in a place where one has been destroyed.
Well, we're happy to be here and help rebuild Selma.
Like I said, welcome.
Thank you, NACA. Welcome to Selma. I don't have my red shirt to hug, but it's in my heart.